All right, check this out. I built this awesome, fully functional, sleek, and secure task management app without writing a single line of code, and it's seriously cool. The login page is clean and simple. Sign up or login, and you're good to go. The dashboard, it's modern, easy to navigate, and lets you manage tasks like a pro. You can easily assign new tasks, edit existing ones, or delete tasks when they're no longer needed, all with just a few clicks. And the best part, it looks absolutely stunning on your phone. Now, here's the crazy part. I didn't spend hours coding or paying a developer a ton of money. All I did was type a few simple prompts. Let me show you step by step how to create it. It's easier than you think. All right, head over to the website using the link in the description below and sign up with your email or Google account. Once you're in, you'll see the main interface. It's super clean, easy to use, and ready to go. With MetaGPT X, you can either go solo or let a team of agents handle everything for you. At first, I was thinking, I'll handle it myself. But then I realized, why not let the pros do the heavy lifting? But that's not all. MetaGPT X lets you choose the AI models for your app. For this project, I'm using Claude Sonnet 4, perfect for handling complex tasks and generating real-time, high-quality outputs. Don't worry about the prompt. I'll be posting it in the first comment below, so make sure to check it out if you want to try it for yourself. Now that we've got the model and prompt ready, let's see the real magic unfold. The first step, Mike, the team lead, is analyzing your task management app requirements and creating a development plan. The project, involving user authentication and database operations, has been assigned to multiple team members following the standard development process. Emma, the product manager, is creating detailed product requirement documents with competitive analysis, user stories, and technical specifications. The document follows industry best practices and includes all necessary components for a successful product launch. After defining the product requirements, Emma hands off the next task to Bob, who is an architect. Bob is creating the complete system architecture design based on Emma's PRD, including front-end and back-end architecture, database schema, API specifications, and security considerations. After Bob's successful implementation, engineer Alex takes over, setting up the React front-end for the login page and task management dashboard. Alex links the front-end to the back-end with user authentication, connects to a PostgreSQL database via Supabase, and enhances the app with sleek UX/UI features. In seconds, the front-end and back-end work seamlessly together. Because MetaGPT X is all about perfection, Mike himself is ensuring quality by testing everything to ensure it functions flawlessly. He runs automated tests on both the front-end and back-end, including back-end API tests for proper root functionality. Meanwhile, the task management application is ready to go, ensuring a sleek, modern, and responsive UI, making the app user-friendly across all devices. Our app is live and ready to use. Now we've logged in, MetaGPT X's developer agent kicks in to automatically generate the task management dashboard. We can add, view, update, and even delete tasks. And guess what? It's all connected to the back end, so tasks are stored safely in Supabase. Did you see how quickly MetaGPT X built the app? Imagine building an app like this for your small business or startup. No hassle, no huge budget. And if you're a content creator, this tool is a game changer for you too. Let's chat about your projects in the comments, and I'd love to help out if you have any questions. Honestly, what took me minutes to set up would normally take days or even weeks using traditional methods. But with MetaGPT, it's done in no time. So do not waste your time. Click the link in the description and start building your app today. No coding or dev team needed. If you run into any challenges, drop a comment below and I'll personally help you out. And must my video on Hera AI, where I have explained step by step how to create awesome motion graphics and animations on single click just by typing a text prompt that would usually take hours in After Effects or Blender. Thanks for watching.